All right, easy now. What's all this racket about? What do you see? Get away from there, it's gonna explode. Move, move. Randall, move, the pumps are unstable.
What's happening?
Get the dog clear. Hold it right there. Whoa, slow down. All right, you're good now. Come on through. Get back, everyone move back.
The roof just caved in.
They're here, thank goodness. You're all right. Oh, thank God. Hooray! Well done, Randall.